Check out this Ram 2019 1500 Classic Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include radio, Uconnect 3.0 included, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 845RE, STD, carpet floor covering, remote keyless entry with all secure, tires, P265/70R17 BSWS, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7 aluminum, Chrome Plus package included, remote keyless entry with all secure bright rear bumper bright grille wheels, 17 x 7 aluminum bright front bumper carpet floor covering delete spray in budliner radio, Uconnect 3.0 integrated voice command with Bluetooth rear floor mats front floor mats, diesel gray/black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat and quick order package 22 by Tradesman included.